Uh, okay, we are now starting our session. Uh, okay, we are using two methods to record this session. Inshallah, we will use the ordinary uh, system for the university, and in addition, I'm using the Zoom recording. So this session is going to be also um, after we finish. I will upload this session, and we will see how can we send to you the file, and maybe uploading the same system, or we will just upload the normal file to the system, and we will upload the video to YouTube, so you can see and you can track and watch the session online easily on YouTube. So, very good evening to you all, and today we are going to carry on explaining about integrated management. Actually, you had quite interesting and quite important courses in this master program, just like BM and project management professional. This all information you had, as well as other courses which talked about the planning and managing the projects. This uh, is going to be an implementation of all the ideas and all the concepts you have already learned in these uh, courses. So, starting in these sessions, we are going to learn about how to implement all our plans or our project management concepts in a platform that is going to help us to arrange our tasks, arrange our projects, arrange our duties, and produce our reports and documentations, and help our teams to collaborate, communicate, and cooperate with each other efficiently, with all the means that these, let's say, efficient and new technology are providing. The Open Project platform have two branches or two versions. The main version is for managing general projects using traditional management methods and agile and new techniques of management, just like Kanban and Scrum. All these techniques and applications are facilitated and uh, let's say that is used and provided by the platform for you to use and to implement easily. Starting, what I have learned, what I know about this platform, that it will give you at least 14 years for a trial for free, and after that you have to pay about 6 to 8 US dollars per month. So it's quite cheap comparing to other um, platforms. But actually, also, I have learned recently that they have provided a community version that is provided for free. Uh, but I'm not sure if it is activated or not, or how we can use this version. So I will go through and I will check whether we can use this version for free or not. Anyhow, at least we have a 14 days for free. So first we will plan our project, we will have our tasks, we will have our project structure that we want to implement. And after that, we can create an account and we can directly implement our project in this platform. So we can take pictures and take screenshots and include it in our let's say, project or assignment that we are going to do in this project, in this course. This course will have, as I told you before, you will have two assignments, two quizzes, and one major assignment. This assignment is going to be on several phases. It's not going to be one shot. So inshallah, I will give you the plan for the assignment of this project later. So going through our open project main features. So the features of the main version, which is the general version of the platform, it will give you 8 major features, which is the project portfolio. And this one will lead you to project planning, where you can add the tasks and how to manage and the cooperation and collaboration between the team members. And then it will facilitate your management techniques and provide you, in addition to the traditional components and traditional management methods, just like list, Gantt chart, it will add also the Kanban and Scrum Agile management practices. After that, even during your practice and during your management techniques, during your project, you can do the time tracking, the cost tracking, and productivity tracking. We'll see this one in time tracking or tracking system that will be provided by the platform. And then it will introduce the collaboration system that it has. And this one is going to be really advanced in using BIM and using the model made by Revit or any other softwares. So the collaboration system they have, it's quite effective and quite easy and nice. When we provide you all the notifications as news, you will see from your main page what is happening, and you can keep informed by all the activities and all the achievement done by the project by project. So the road of the map also, if you have a product, a project that produces products, so you can design holistically and you can design strategically what are the main phases of the projects, what are the milestones you want to achieve. So all this holistic planning or strategic planning you will have here very clearly in product roadmap. And finally, the workflow and what is the main sessions and what are the main phases of the projects and how the project starts, go process and delivered and finished, closed. So you will have this workflow presented neatly and steadily, so you can use and implement according to your need within the project. So all these features will go one by one, starting by the first feature, which is project portfolio. So the project portfolio will have several activities and several, let's say, not about features, but it is concepts that's implemented and steps that need to be done, a logic relationships between the steps that you need to do to achieve your projects, to carry on your project logically and neatly. So first, I will go one by one. I will see this video starting to show you what are the main steps to sort your tasks according to the project and see what are the relationships between these projects and between these tasks. So starting by the overview, this is the main overview page from the platform, which is Open Project. So the overview, you can choose one of these three, the news, the cost reports, and the work packages. So first you will go to work packages to see the task, milestones, phases, and you will see next what are the main things you need to do. So if you see, you can see now, you will have this sidebar, the side list, which show you all the operations or the opens you have, then assigned to me, created by me, and Gantt chart, latest activity, and recent created. So these are the main topics that you can see the different schedules and different reports. Starting by the all open work packages, which is tasks and phases and milestones. Starting by the type and adding the ID, then you have the title of each of the work packages. So here the task is creating a new project. The next one is customizing project overview page, activating further models. Everything is in place. Then you have the status. So this one is scheduled, this one in progress, this one is new, this one is finished, this one is confirmed, this one is not specified difficult. So you can identify the status that you are going to use in your projects. Then you will have the one who is responsible for the work package or the tasks. So you can change the assignee who is responsible to deliver these work packages. And here you can assign priority, the importance of the task created. And lastly here, you will have the project. Here the project is just like labeling. Each work packages is related and listed under what project. So when you click on this one, you'll see what options you can choose. So first you can sort this work packages according to the projects. You can sort it decently and ascending. So according to the first alphabetical order, then you can choose group by. This one group by, you can group the work packages under the similar project. This is one of the most important actions that you can click on this one. Then you have, if you here you will have groups, and you can intend and extend these groups accordingly. So also you have move the column left, so you can move this column to the left, hide the column, or insert new columns. So see what will happen if we click on group by. So see group by. So directly after you do this one, here the groups will appear. Here you can group all the tasks according to the projects. So here you can intend and extend the projects. You can directly see and focus on this one. Then after that, you can click on the Gantt chart table. You can click on the button, and the Gantt chart will appear on the right, and you can customize the periods and the date of the tasks, and set the relationship between the tasks on using this Gantt chart palette. So this is how you can achieve managing the projects and managing the work packages according to the projects. Let's see the video again. So you can group the work packages according to the projects. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick, so my voice just like from my nose, not very clear. Okay, going further to see what are the steps you need to do to create a new project or to open an existing one. I don't know if the voice. Let me see if I can share sound. Okay.
To start collaboration in Open Project, you first need a project. Create a project structure and break your projects down into smaller parts. Projects and sub-projects are displayed according to their hierarchy in the drop-down menu. In order to open an existing project, click on the Select a Project button in the top left corner on the header navigation, and then choose the project which you want to open. You can also start typing the name to search for the project. You will see your newest projects also on the Application Start page in the Projects section. Here you can simply click on one of the newest visible projects to open it. To view all your projects where you are a member, click on the View All Projects link in the drop-down menu. To create a new project, click the Select a Project button in the top left corner of the header and select Add Project. Also, you can click the green button Add Project directly on the Start page in the Project section. Enter a name for your project and click the blue Create button. You can configure further project information, such as the project's hierarchy, description of project status, in the Advanced Settings section. Now, you can start collaborating in your project, add team members, and create a project plan and add work packages. A project can either be a typical one with start and end date. Also, it can be a workspace for teams to collaborate on one common topic, for example, to organize a department or to cluster teams, customers, or products. You have to be a member of a project in order to see it and to work in it.
Okay, so we can explain this
Project
easily. So starting, you can either create a new project or open a pre-existing or an older project that you have already created before. So starting, this is the main page of your account. So you can start by clicking here, adding a new projects, or view older project and clicking one of them, either on the newest projects, or you have to click on this one and you can see all the projects you have. Or you can go to the select a project list and you can find inside also creating a new project and opening existing projects. So once you create or open the projects here, you can find your projects. You can directly after that go to the second step, which is adding members. So first you open the project, whether you make it whether you create a new project or you open an existing one, then you start. Here you can add several advanced settings. If this project is a sub-project of another project, here you can choose the mother projects from here. Here you can add description. Here you can add identifiers, special code for your project. Here you can make it public or no. Here you can start by a status, which is in progress, planned, new, or you can put the status you want. Here you can add a status description. So after you finally open the project, which either it's an older project or new project, you can start by adding members to the projects. So the second step, you have to add members. And after that, you can add tasks you'll see in the next video. So this one is an overview, and this is let's say a dashboard. This dashboard will show you the reports that you need to see. about the productivity, about the members, about what is happening, the news of the project, what is the status now, what is the accomplishment of the work packages you have, what are the new activities and how many hours are made to this project, who are the members assigned to this project. Everything is going to be on this page as a dashboard. You can see all the information about this project. Then after that, you can assign also, you can upload all the files that you need. You can do the file here and you add your notes, and this file is going to be saved in the time and date, and you can always share it with the respected and related stakeholders of the project. So you can share this one with the team members that they need. What the type of the file, which is maybe blueprints, which maybe documentation, everything you need, you can upload and save it to this platform, and it is a very convenient way to manage and to documentate all the reports and documentation related to this project. This is how is all the activities are going to be reported to the team members, just like news, just like notifications. Similar to Facebook, when you see notifications and what is happening on your selected items. So you will see all the activities happening on the project, just like news, and you can be updated easily and conveniently with all information related to your project. Here you can add and select the project status, on track, off track, planned, etc., as you want. You can change it according to your plan, according to your project. This is some type of the widgets, which is you can use here also on the main dashboard. This is customized dashboard items you can add to keep tracking the performance of the projects. And here you can see how easily you can assign hours of achievement to each task and each member, and you can manipulate and you can arrange these times according to your work very easily and very conveniently. Finally, you will see how we can add these tasks and make templates for the
Project
project.
templates help you to easily set up a new project. You can create a project template in Open Project.
So instead of making one project from scratch, from zero every time, if you have similar projects that you are going to do frequently for different clients, so you may design one major general project and make it just like a template, so you can start your project using this template, and then you can customize it later. So it is to save. It's very important issue to save your time. It saves your effort. You can make one general project and save it as template, and then you can use it when you create new projects. You don't create it from scratch. You create it using template that you already saved in this project. You can see now how we can manage this thing.
By creating a new project and configuring your project to your needs. Name the project so you can identify it as a template. Set up everything that you want to have available for future projects, such as adding project members, activating the modules,
So the steps is just like this. First, you create the project, then you add the members, the team members, then you activate the modules that you want to include in this project. So you want the documentation, the calendar, the budget, the meetings. If you want to add the forms or you don't want to add it, you want the news or you don't, time and cost, all these modules of management, you can check all or check some of them that you want to add, then click yeah, okay. Then after that, you add your tasks and work work packages design, and then you save it as template. You see how.
Setting up a default work breakdown structure and creating a default project.
So here you add your work down structure, the work packages structure that you have, the phases, the milestones, the tasks, and assign them to the member that you want them to be responsible, and then you assign the proper priority, and then you save it as template from the project
Plan.
setting.
Navigate to the project settings and click Set as Template in the upper right.
So here you have to set as template. Once you set this one as template, this will appear on the first page when you create a new project. The name of this one is going to be is going to appear in the template list for you to use whenever you want to create a new project.
Corner. You can remove a project from the template collection at the same place. Note, the option to set a project as template or to remove it from templates is only available for administrators. Now, you can create a new project by using an existing template. This causes the properties of the project template to be copied to the new project. Click on Add Project.
Now here, from adding new
Type
project,
in a name for your new project.
from this one, use template. You will find your template here already.
And then select the template, which should be used as a
See, the new template is going to appear here.
basis for setting up the new project. The new project will then be created.
So when you create the new one, you will see that the work packages, the members you already added in the template, is going to be replicated in this new project.
Based on all the configuration you did within your template project.
Okay, thank you very much. This is all for today. I think I already this one is going the recording is already on, and this one also we will try to upload it as YouTube. Thank you very much, and see you next week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.